Borobudur World Heritage Site.
Have you ever wondered about the mysteries and history that lie within the stone walls of the magnificent Borobudur Temple? This ancient and captivating site has a story that reaches back over 1,000 years to the heart of the Indonesian archipelago. Our journey begins in the early 9th century AD during the reign of the Syailendra dynasty. The construction of Borobudur Temple, a monumental project, commenced around 750 AD and concluded a century later. This colossal Buddhist temple, a testament to human ingenuity, was crafted with meticulous precision in the lush landscape of central Java. The design and structure of Borobudur reflect the profound spiritual beliefs of its creators. The temple, constructed in the Mahayana Buddhist architectural style, resembles a pyramid with layered levels. It consists of a square base, 6 square terraces, and 3 circular terraces crowned by a grand central stupa. Every stone, every carving has a story to tell, a lesson to impart. Borobudur was not only a place of worship, but also a site for attaining merit or the ease of enlightenment in Buddhist teachings. The walls of this magnificent temple are adorned with intricate reliefs depicting both Buddhist teachings and the daily lives of people during that era. These reliefs serve as a window into the past, a silent storyteller of a time long gone. However, the grandeur of Borobudur didn't last forever. A series of unfortunate events, including volcanic eruptions and earthquakes, led to its decline. Covered in volcanic ash, this once bustling beacon of Buddhism was lost to the world for centuries. The story of Borobudur takes an unexpected turn in the 19th century with the arrival of Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles. A Dutchman with a keen interest in history, Raffles rediscovered the temple in 1814. From then on, Borobudur underwent numerous restorations, first by the colonial government of the Dutch East Indies and later by the Indonesian government after gaining independence. The significance of Borobudur extends beyond the borders of Indonesia. In 1991, UNESCO recognized Borobudur as a World Heritage Site, a testament to its cultural and historical importance. This recognition has brought Borobudur into the global spotlight, attracting thousands of local and international tourists each year. Today, Borobudur stands not only as a symbol of Indonesia's rich history, but also as a beacon of Buddhist teachings. It invites the curious and the enlightened to explore its intricate reliefs, admire its architectural grandeur, and immerse themselves in its spiritual ambiance. In summary, the journey of Borobudur Temple, from its construction in the 9th century to its current status as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a remarkable tale of resilience and restoration. Despite the trials it has faced over the centuries, Borobudur continues to stand tall, a testament to the rich cultural and spiritual heritage of Indonesia.